Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Today is Vlogmas day 9. Apparently it has to be something like day 12 or 11, but then it's just day 9 because I've missed off a lot of days. I wanted to be consistent. I really wanted to try out this Vlogmas whole thing, but I couldn't really. I was like reaching home at 12 o'clock and 11 o'clock from the shoot, so couldn't really do anything with that. So I'm so sorry. I will definitely make up to all that stuff, and with that said, let's start today's video. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my caps/hats collection, what I have, and I'm so kind of a freak of collecting all this stuff, but I don't really have like 20s of them. I just have like 8 to 9, but they are kind of different and actually my style. So yeah, so let's go. So the first one I have here is the Baker hat. Now this one is super old, like almost 5 to 6 years old. I love to keep all my old stuff really well, so I don't really remember where I got this from, but I think it was from Max, if I'm not wrong. The next one is a red beret. I got this from H&M, and there were like so many colors available. I really wanted to take the mustard one, but then I love this red one more than anything else, so I just took that, and such retro feels. Next one is also super old, older than my first Baker hat I mentioned. I got this like 7 years back almost, and it's still so good. Next one is a cap from Miniso. It is white and has a black ribbon hanging at the back, and also has a zipper for the ponytail and stuff, and it has a super sporty feel. The next one is also a cap, and this is from Jack & Jones. It was like in a discount or something, and I got it for some 800 bucks. It has this cute rose embroidery at front, and the shape got a little weird. I don't know how, but I think I can fix that. Next one is a baseball cap from Zara. Now this isn't any sporty baseball caps. It has this furry element to it, so which makes it different from any other baseball caps I usually see in the market. So yeah, this is one of the best ones I have. Now this one is a gift from my best friend. It has this crazy embroidery at the top front, and it has a super soft and comfortable feel to it than any other cap I own. So yeah, this is one of the good caps. Next I have this super cozy beanie. I got this from Forever 21. It has this beautiful texture to it, and is super soft. The best thing about this cap is that you can style as you want, and it looks super cute. Doesn't matter how you style it, it looks really nice, and it actually molds the shape you want. last but not the least, my favorite out of all the caps and hats I've been showing you around. So this one is from Zara, and now I see this style everywhere in Forever 21, H&M and few other stores. Before they were like none. I used to check online, I couldn't really find anything. Now this one adds like a French touch to any outfit and actually takes underdressed to perfectly dressed within seconds, and I love this hat. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like my collection of hats and caps. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And comment below your favorite stuff, like what you generally like to collect and keep it as an accessories of or any kind of a stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots and lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.